I want to start the explanation right now with the live session. I don't know whether you are excited, but I say welcome as you are new guys. Let me start it from Boom 1000 as I have explained it a couple minutes ago. What I always do is I make a top-down analysis and I take trades at lower time frames. When I say top-down analysis, it means that I trade from the higher time frames. I made analysis from the higher time frames to the lower time frames and take trades at the lower time frames as is scalping. So this is a boom 1000. As I was not trading today, I have to check the higher time frame in order to know what the market is doing or who is leading. So as I can see, boom 1000 accumulators, or what we call the demanders, are leading the market. So buyers are having the strong power. As we know, yesterday low, the yesterday high was a break of the previous high. So it means that this price has broken yesterday to the previous high. And then we can see that this candle, which is the current today, it's still pushing to the upside. It means that this market buyers have the power. So if we so what is happening at the daily time frame is this. But if we go and check at the lower time frames, we will see something different. Please mute yourself. Nawenda, mute yourself. So what I wanna do is right now is to go to the lower time frames. I cannot spend a time checking all the time frames. I will go at M15. So I have to get the high and low of M15, the higher high and the lower low of M15. So the lower low is this one, and this is the higher high. So as you can see that the price has made a spike at this level. The reason why is, if you can see this red, these red dots, this line which is the red, it was a strong support area. It means that the market has a strong demand risk at this area. So whenever price comes on this area, it will spike. So spikes will happen. So we have to follow the price, not of what we think. We have to follow the price. Whenever price comes on this area, it will spike, as here is the higher high and here is the lower low, because we can see that there was a supplier close or supply factors or previous supplies, and this is the only supply factor which the market has right now. So this area is trying to make aggressive distribution move, or the price wants to make a break below this area and continues to the downside. But nobody can make sure that this price can continue to the downside, as we know that the daily time frame is buying. So the lower time frame, you must always be careful to sell this market, as you know that the market is buying at the higher time frames. That's one thing you should focus on and think about. So the next thing is, we always wanted to place or sells or buys at M5. At the M5 we have low and we have high. So every high and every low of M5 can be broken within 10 minutes. It means if this is my resistance area and if this is support area, it can be broken within 10 minutes or 5 minutes. For example, right here, if this price is spikes, it can break above this line within minutes or seconds. So you should focus on to trade between this area and this area. So when you place sell here, you should focus on to exit here. If you place a sell here, you should focus on to exit above this yellow. So right now we have missed the sell, because what we are focusing on is a smaller pips, smaller points. We are not going to hold these trades as this market is buying. But we have confidence if the market is at this area, we can buy and hold as much as we want, because we know that this market has a strong buyers or strong distributors. So now we have no an entry on boom 1000. Let us go on crash 1000. Let us check on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that the market was ranging for decades, for a long time, for months, for days. It has been consolidating for a long time. Guys, if you can see my screen, and please type yes in the public group. Please type yes in the public group if you can see my screen and enjoying it. Right now, in this in boom 500, we have the lower low here, and we have the higher high here in the ranging area. This is the ranging area. The ranging area means that this area is not really good for swing traders. It's not good for swing traders. Even us, it's not good traders, because as scalping, we cannot scalp at the high time frame. We do the lower time frames to scalp. So this is consolidation area. So when the market is consolidating at the higher time frames, what you should do is you go on the lower time frames. And then the lower time frames like M15, it will give you a support and resistance. A support and resistance. Let me say this area is resistance and this area is support. So you can see that this market, uh if we go the market sentiment, or how, I don't know whether you know the quarter theory, how to make measurement rounding numbers from the yellow to this purple color, from this purple color uh to this yellow color, from this yellow to the purple to the yellow. So that is a rounded number, that as you know that the market is not just sitting in an area, so it moves up to the down, up to the down. So in a percentage, you can see that the market is now going to come near the resistance, or maybe near the support area. So it's coming to the support area, and it has already been broken to the journal, which was the this area, to the that trend line. And in another way, there is a pattern which is in here. I don't know whether you know the double tops. The double tops, for example, here you can see the double tops. Another thing is there is a pattern which is called the M, the M pattern. You can see this huge or aggressive buy, and also this pullback, and you can see this correction leg, corrective, and then this is the leg which is now breaking the neckline. This market, so it's gonna come in to this area. So this market wants to come this area. Yes, brother. Yeah, long time, bro. How are you, Raymond? Welcome back. I'm on live, brother. Mute yourself, then we will have to talk, my brother. So that is how this market wants to go. So we have missed it. The exactly entry point was this area, this candle, this candle. So we have missed it. If you miss 5 pips or maybe 7 or 8 pips, do not enter. You can see that this was the nice entry. As you can see, here is the neckline. You can see the entry was there. So we have missed it. I don't enter like that. When I see that I have missed entry, I look for another opportunities, because I cannot risk my money. And also you should not risk your money. Okay, there was the entry. When price breaking there, it was the nice entry. I know some of other guys have taken when the price is breaking below this beam bar or inside bar, and then they were selling. So it was nice. But according to the setup and market structure, I do sell below this candle for safety. So when the price has given us a sell entry here, you can see the market started to spike. Okay, so it can continue to spike up. If you could sell here, what what is happening now? Look what is happening. That's what I mean. So if I go on 5 minutes, oh, the nice CST uh, place where you can see what the candles are doing is 5 minutes. You can see we have missed a huge or aggressive sell, and there is exactly the yellow. There is uh, the nice selling entry. I'm sorry. Let us go crash 1000. We go on daily time frame. As Yeah, why I'm doing daily time frame checks is that I was not trading all day today. I did not post. You have seen it in the group. I did not post any signal. That's why I'm checking the daily time frame. I must see what is going on the daily chart. When I see what is going on the daily chart, so it's possible for me to get a nice signal in a lower time frames like M15 or 5 minutes and so on. So right now you can see that this price is pushing to the downside at the daily time frame. Maybe tomorrow this candle will be the next candle will go and reach this lower low. I mean, if price pushes continues as it's doing now, the next candle tomorrow will be there. So it will be there. So as you can see, this market is selling at higher time frames. So what I shall do in lower time frames is I will always look for selling opportunities. For example, at M15, when price reaches at that yellow, it will spike. So look for sellers. Look for sellers. You can see this aggressive sell. You can see this aggressive sell. It's selling hugely. It was selling hugely. You can see when the price reached the yellow moving average. You can see when the price reached to the yellow moving average. Like so on, this price is going till the yellow. Whenever it reaches the yellow, then it will do the same like this. If I go back, you can see whenever price crosses or reaches below this moving average, there shall be a huge sell. Okay, that is exactly what's going on M15. This guy, let me check on 1 hour. On 1 hour, wow, guys, I cannot watch this guy. I have to place a buy opportunity for a small lot size. See, 25 0.25. I don't know, you are this is not exactly a safe entry according to the lower time frame, but I'm buying at this time frame as a win. Okay, but if you have small money, I advise you, please be careful. So what I see is that this market is to come here. Yeah, this market wants to come here, but according to my setup in this area, there shall be a big rejection because there is a order block here. So you can see that I have placed it at the uh, at H4, a buy position, but be careful. because lower time frame, you can see my TB could be this area. Okay, my TB could be this area. But if we go at H4, we have a nice setup. Everybody who knows about this pattern has bought it already. Everyone is buying right now. Everyone is buying. Believe me. If you go and check all Telegram traders, those who are trading in Telegram with the boom and crash, if they have the right knowledge, they are buying. Trust me. Trust me, they are buying. And this market is trying to reach till there. Okay? I'm not that greedy, and I don't think that the market can make a retracement, but I'm sure that it will reach there till there. And the reason why I say here is, even if you know about the BA or Bryson, you can see that there is a strong key here. There is a strong key here. And possibilities are that there can be a breakup, and the breakup could be the confirmation of the backtesting. Whenever price breaks this key level and reaches its high, or it is target, then it makes a backtesting, or even what we call the continuation. If continuation happens, the price will reach that area and then make what we call rejection for reversal and give us a pullback there, and then again goes up, and then again goes up. So it shall be a very nice if that happens, and then we know that the price is targeting to this level. So it should be a very nice. Yeah, it should be a very nice if the price accepts with that condition. Yeah, let me save this setup for you guys. Maybe it will be very helpful. Yeah, it will be very helpful, guys. Yeah, let me tell you something very important. I'm designing a website, and you will get all my tools and all my programming tools in on my website soon. Don't worry, guys. It is under development, and I that's why I was busy today, yesterday. So there's the time to trade. This is my first trade, which I have placed it with 0.25 on. Uh, Even this account is not my main account. This is mini account, which I always like to trade. Oh, this guy is a boom. Maybe this is a crash 500. I think when you see that there are more, is this guy has made what we call breaks. You can see this break. Okay, do you see this break? Even it's a strong two touches. You can see two touches. So this market is buying at the higher time frame. Whenever you see, then you can see that the market is going up. Even if you go to the 1 hour, you can see that this market was buying up. So I advise you do not buy, because the buy entry was here. When the market has been broken to this green line, we had a nice buy. Or even when the market was giving us the bimper, if you know two things, you can find out the right or the proper entries. One thing is, you have to understand when the market is giving you the bimper, and you have to place L below the bimper and then hold it. Whenever you see that the price is passing or maybe crossing above this green line, it is confirmed you have bought this area. And then whenever price crosses and closes below above this moving average, it is confirmed, then you can hold. You can see from here to that area, if it spike it even 3 times and you can see three white horses, you can see that the price was not below this line, as here is the low and there is the high. So it means it shall spike soon. It shall spike soon. Trust me, this guy will fall down soon. This guy is crash 500. It will fall down soon. Yeah, I focus on M M3 of 3 minutes. Let me scroll it to the down, and then I place small lot size. Small lot size. Let me place it. Small lot size. Yeah, let me go on M15. You can see that the price. So I can have a wide SL, as I know that this price wants to make break. It wants to make a break. But do you think that it will be like I risk $5, and you can see it will be that green line. Yeah, it will be that green line. Yeah, $5. So I risk $5 right now, but if I go at the higher time frames, this market is already at the top. So we have the order block here and here. So this is a fall break, and then it will spike. Trust me. Go M1 and Jake. Go M1. If you use the divergence tools uh like RSI, check, there is a small candle. You can see small candle. Yeah, there is a small candle. There is a small candle. I sold it right now. So that guy, I will wait for it is private from here to this here. Yeah, from here. So I have. So it will be like three, maybe. Yeah, it will be like here. It's okay. So I have to boost this signal in my FIB. First signal for real. I was not trading today. I have to help with them. I, I must help with them. I did not post any signal. I was too busy. So, guys, are you enjoying what I'm doing tonight? If yes, please type yes in the public group. If yes, please type yes in the public group. Thank you, thank you. Who's taking trades with me? Who's taking trades with me? I have placed two trades right now. But sometimes you need to know what you are doing. I know why I have placed these two trades, and I know that this it's possible that this market to continue to the upward, but you have to calculate with what you are losing. So already prepare you loss and also gains. But this boom and crash, when it comes trading in spikes, to spike it can take like 50 bars, from 2 to 50 bars. The setup or your structure or maybe your technical analysis is not wrong, but how this failure of this market is created for. It's like you have to be patient until the 50 bars completes. The structure is correct, your strategy is correct, and it's not spiking. Why? Because there is a 50 bar set on, and this market is not your farm where you can plant at anything or cultivate it. So you have to calculate with what you are losing. Somebody is asking in a public group, I have bought a Crash 1000. Oh, so you are with me. So you have bought it and it has spiked. Do you see that there is a spike? There is a spike because it's minus rejection. This yellow moving average is a strong key because whenever price comes on this area, it is spikes. But I take some small lot size, small losses. Even I did not bust this signal. I can place from here in order to lose like $10. Alhamdulillah. Sorry. Uh, the other thing is that this market is buying at a higher time frame. So if you have strong money, you can buy Crash 1000 and hold it for a long. So this guy is not spiking yet. Let me go to VIX 75. VIX 75. Okay, what I always need to do is, wow, there was a strong bing bar or inside bar. If you know, inside bars are the best opportunities in this market. If you know these inside bars, they are giving a nice signals. Whenever you see an inside bar, there can be some inside bars, those who are not really giving you the right, but it depends on how you know about the trend. If you know where the market is going to, then inside bars will help you. Inside bars will help you. For example, like this inside bars, you can see that there was a rejection candle, and in these inside bars you can see that there was also a nice pullback till that area. So it was a nice signal. If we go on lower time frames, like 4 hours or maybe 1 hour, it was a nice signal. You can see this inside bar. So mostly you have to know the knowledge. If you know the knowledge, then nothing, the inside bar will be the mother with its two children. This mother, you can see this mother, this mother, and these two babies. Okay, those are the inside bars. These two babies with its mama. So you can see that this was correction, but the high of the mama has been broken above. I think that will be a simple way to understand. Okay, you can see that the high of this mama has been broken above, and then we had a nice buying opportunity. So whenever you see that the price is broken here, this high, we buy it, and then the price shall continue to the upside. Whenever you see a mother is being broken to the lower, then the price will be continued to the low side. So that is a nice confirmation, a nice confirmation. So let me look at nice opportunities at the lower time frame, like M5. Or let me get the high. Okay, I get the high. So price is already at the resistance. We have to wait. Let me change the color. Okay, the blue maybe or yellow. Okay, so that is the high and this is the low, and this is the low. You can see that it was nice when the price was at this here. Okay, so this was the mother and this is the baby. Is inside bars, I have explained it last night. Inside bars can have one baby candle or maybe two or more than. So this is right now a mother candle and this is a baby candle. So we have a lower low without baby. Somebody is talking to me, or maybe someone else. The yellow moving average, the EMA, is 200. 200. Yeah, for the rejection and reversals. You want to even know the confirmation of trend, new trend formation. You can see that whenever price crosses above the yellow, that the trend was up. You see, there was not downtrend until price continues to the downside and breaks this. The trend will be continue. So it's very strong, guys. Most of the new traders, they need to get like these tools, and it will help you guys. Even if you want to scalp or maybe to trade in higher time frames. So we see that still this guy is not giving us a nice opportunity. Let us go on a step index. I always check at the daily time frame. Wow, you can see that the step index has already rejected. So it's on the minus rejection. So some guys, you use the trend line. If you use the trend line, then you can see clearly what's happening there. You can see that the market has already at the high of the trend line, and it has touched the trend line. So if we continue by placing a trend line to the downside in order to form the support area, you can see that the market wants to reach this level in order to make another aggressive sell, or maybe to reverse to the upside in order to continue to the for the buying opportunity. So but the only thing we need to see is what's happening. So in my idea, it's really not good to trade in boom and let me say to trade in the step index today, as the market is not being a nice opportunity. So we can wait when the price comes at that area. So there is still a distance that the market wants to come here, but we have to make sure. So let me back on what's happening. Oh, the guy has spiked it very small. The one which is uh uh crash 500. Still, we can wait. As I told you, there is a minus rejection. Whenever price comes on that moving average at M15, let us look, or maybe it was the higher time frame like H1. I hope so. Yes, it was H1, 1 hour. So there shall be a spike, and you can see the spike happening right now. But we need the more spikes, not that one. Price continues to the upward and breaks above that green, but that red line where I have placed my stop loss, it will continue to the upside, to the upward. So we are waiting more spikes this area. So the crash 1000 is still trying to go up, but I see that there is rejection. When you see this candle on this moving average, there is rejection. So there shall be like 1 2 3 spikes on this level. So if you can manage your SL, so I might advise you to close if you are in a profit right now in crash 1000. As you don't have enough money, it's possible to spike still, to spike down till it comes here. Even it can break, because there is a rejection area. Yeah, there you can see here what's happening. The this bin this candle has a higher high, so it is weak is higher than this candle. So when you see this condition, it's so the possibility is comes or forms with this new candle. So we cannot sell. Be careful. Buyers are still strong. That is what this candle is. So step index, we cannot buy because it's at the rejection area. Okay, but we see that there is a nice opportunity for the buyers, and you can see that there is a double bottom. Sometimes you cannot see the hidden divergences, but if you know the market cannot tell you something untrue. Yeah, be careful, because if you buy here, I see something here. I see something you cannot see. There is a strong resistance in this area. There is a strong resistance. If we buy, the market will make reverse at this level. Nobody knows that even the market can break above this level. And you know that at the daily time frame, this guy is not doing something very good. You see, there is a reversal candle or pullback candle. As the market has a strong bias, so it is confirming where it has broken before. The market has broken there. So we are expecting to sell below this area. But still, buyers have aggressive move. We cannot buy until price comes below here. We cannot sell. Let me say we cannot sell until price comes below here. Be careful. You can see crash 500. I told you we are expecting more spikes. Still holding. I'm still holding because this is a small one and I believe the small lot size. Okay, we can see that there is a bimper. If we got a bimper here, I'm sure that this market will buy for up for a long distance. Let me go and check. Boom, 500. Boom, 500 is no at the support area, but at support area sometimes, and newer traders are buying at the lower time frame. But let me tell you, you have to wait till the price comes at this level. Okay, the live session is absolutely helpful, guys. If you are trading, you cannot have multiple confirmations, but when you are on the live session, you get more confirmations. Yeah, yeah. The idea which I'm just telling you plus your idea give you something better. You can see there is a small spike. This guy, boom, 500. There is a small spike at lower time frames, but it does not mean that this market will spike to the upward, because this market, there is a remaining distance that this market wants to reach and then make a new decision, which shall be to reverse to the upside or maybe to continue to the downside. Wow, stepping VIX 75 is not giving us a nice entry. As I told you, here is a strong area. Let me name it for you. It is not possible that the price can break this level so easy. It cannot. Sorry, I don't know. This is a sign of strength. We call SOS or source. Sign of strength. It means that this area is a strong and powerful area. So whenever price breaks, it means that there is a new trend forming. You can see that price has broken, but you can see there is a long wick which got with a pin par. So it means that buyers have a strong power in this area. So if price breaks this area, and you already have one supply factor, and you can see how many factors have this market already made. So whenever this price break is above this supply factor, this higher high, it means that the market will continue to the upward, and nobody can stop it. And I told you buyers are still having their power in this area. And you can see whenever price breaks this level and closes above this higher high, it will it will continue to the upward. So I will buy when price closes and reaches on that purple color. So I'm waiting for that guy. When you know it. But when you don't know, you will have something which is called frightening. Frightening. Oh, it will spike. Oh, it will come against you, or something like emotional. So be careful with what you are doing, and know what you are doing is something that can give you confidence. No matter if price comes back, no matter if price continues, you know what you are doing. It's okay. Yeah, step index is not doing something good. Let me go fix 50. Oh, fix 50 is letter. Okay, let me go on the daily time frame. Wow, daily time frames already are the hiding divergence. You can see this double bottom. This market wants to go buying, buying. Yeah, guys, keep eyes on VIX 75 if you trading, and if you see any update, anything, then update in the group. It's volatility 75. 25 is not good. Let's go on boom 5, boom 1000. Wow, for the high time frame, this guy is helping. What you is what I told you in the beginning of our session. You can see you can see where the price has made it is, it's buying. So this is reaccumulation period. So price wants to reach that level from the bottom. That's what the market wants to do right now. So it will continue there, and this market wants to fall down. Let me show you what's happening at the at the 10th minute. We can stop this guy. We can stop this guy to reach there. You can see there is an order block. It can spike right now. Spike can happen at any moment, but this market wants to reach to the upside, to the upward. One advice that I want to give you is that this market will make a huge rejection. When price reaches at that area, you can see the order block is confirmed, and it's broken the order block. So price is to reach that area. The order block is confirmed. So you can see that the price has already moved it and has already made a nice move. So we need aggressive buy, aggressive buy. What I'm expecting is that this market wants to buy to put from there till there. We need a rejection. So there should be a rejection, then it will go up. And this guy crash. There is order block, and you can see there is a pin inside bar. When you see the inside bar, the break is the confirmation. If price break is above that level, we are not holding our buy, we shall exit. If price breaks and closes above that area, we have to take our small losses. Okay, I told you there is, you can see there is inside bar, buyers and sellers are fighting to each other. Are you guys enjoying and understanding what I'm just explaining to you guys? If you are with me, please type yes in the public room. A huge rejection right now. But what I told you is here is a strong key. When price break is below this area, buyers are becoming weak. So this area, it's called the source or imbalance area. Crypto, thank you, crypto. I see you. Guys, also I'm live on YouTube, or and also my Facebook page, my Meta page. So I would like you to visit my YouTube and subscribe, guys, and share with friends. Yeah, guys, who have taken the buy of Boom 1000, who is in? I'll soon take another aggressive buy with this guy. If it's not spiking, then I will buy there. I will take another buy there. Guys, what I told you, you can see from the beginning, I was telling you that here is aggressive area where the market wants to buy for huge, but sellers are rejecting. are rejecting. But whenever price breaks up above the yellow, we will have a nice opportunity. If the rejection is confirmed by the sellers, then the price will become low, this low, and then whenever price comes below this green line, we will sell it. But buyers are leading; they are the leaders. If you are buying Crash 1000, I'm sure this guy will help us better. I think you are surprising at why I have a profit here and I have a loss here. The reason why is that the rejection of 1 hour is now still a week and buyers are leading the market. You can see that buyers are leading the market. So it's still too dangerous to sell this area. I would like to find a buying opportunity above this level. Yeah, above that level. 68, 67, 38.7. When price reaches above that area, we can have an extension in 3-4 long position. Yeah, but lower time frames will show you something different. Sellers are pushing down. Step index, let me check out 30 minute. It's being a false signal, false. The signal is false, guys. Step index is being a false signal. It seems that it is buying, right? But it's not the right. That's a false signal. Another, another, another lead. Right now, sellers are in lead. Who's buying Crash 1000? Also, the Boom 1000 has a nice opportunity to those who have bigger accounts can buy when price comes at this level. You can place your buy limit here, buy stop anyhow. The Boom 500 is buying at low time frames. You can see the trend. Price is below the trend. I will not buy. With my AHDX indicator shows that the market is in sideways at this time. It can either spike or continue to the upward. So this sell is failed right now. I hope you did not place a big lot size. Yeah, I can go and check other markets. Let me go to volatility 25, 20, 25. There is no nice opportunity. Let me go on fix 10. Check at 1 hour. No nice. No good. This guy volatility 75 1S. Go 1 hour. Not good. This is volatility 100 1s go 1 hour. It's giving a nice opportunity. Let me take it to this level and then watch at M5. Okay, there is a pimper. Let me take the rectangle and then place to the high and low of that mother candle. We wait, we wait a break, break and close. We wait a break and close. That guys just giving us an opportunity. You can see it's low. This price wants to come here. If it breaks to the low side, we are not placing a sale. We wait till the price comes on here and makes another break to the downside below this level. If not, if we sell and hold the trade, then the price the price can continue to the downside, or whether it can make reverse to go back upside. So we need to wait two breaks, break one and break two. Okay, let me go and check on M5. The same. Let me check fix 75. You can see fix 75 guys. Playing, guys. I have I have traded in fix 75 a million times or more than million times. I know what they are doing, these guys. This guy has broken, but I still have a fear to take trades with this guy in this guy. But it has breaking above the neck, above the inside bar, as confirms my strategy. But I'm not sure that this market can continue to the upside, as I see 1 hour is telling me that this market is still at the rejection area. So if I get a confirmation, then I will have my entry. Yo, you can see whenever price closes on the screen, I will sell. The strong key level has been broken to the downside. Price is breaking. You see our strategy has already made the signal. So we have one confirmation already at the AH. You can see that one sale. I I want to take one position right now. That is the sale. I place it. My SL will be above that level, and my TB will be like that area. So I'm not that greedy. That's the scalping. So take like 5, 10 to 20 pips. You can see the sale is now confirmed. If you can place till the low, it's okay. But price can continue back, as there is a ranging. You have to place your to be somewhere possible to the lower. This is the low, this is the high. But I told you where to sell is this area. So from that place to this place is where we should take our entries. if you think that trading in, so there is where the sale started, but I late somehow in somehow I lately entered. Okay, I go unlock half of my profit or maybe the position as this market can continue to the downside. You can take your TV, you can take, but this market still wants to continue to the downside or maybe refers to the upside. So always lock it. I lock it if it hits okay. But the sale I was telling you is this one. If it confirms and continues to the back to upward, means buyers have still a power. But I have two confirmations. One confirmation is my ADHX, ADH, AHD, and the second confirmation is this green moving average. This green moving average is telling me that the price has broken below there and it has to continue to the downside. So we still left for 2 minutes. As this market wants to make it long, it's a week, so it has to uh, go back, and that's what the price wants to make. Why it's in ranging here? You know that here is the support. Here is the support, and to hit my TP means that the price will break the support below here. And I told you that buyers are in lead this market. The sell can be correction, so it will not sell strong. So that's why my TP is near my entry. So I do scalp like 10, I do catch like 10 pips, maybe less than. This market wants to go up again. You see, sellers are always weak. They don't have a strong bow to continue to the downside. You can see that when they have taken the signal, the price still continue to the down, to reverse up and continue up. I told you if we go at 1 hour, 1 hour, you can see that here is where the price has started to accumulate and continue to the upside. But you see that the price has no strong power to continue up in order to break this high. When price breaks this high, it will continue up. And I told you that is where I will take my my strong long position. Guy, the guy which I have closed it with a small loss size has spiked it again. The guy which was boom, the crash 1000 is still going up. You can make lock, if you can lock up or make a partial lock, it's okay. Still buying, you can see still buying. The guy which I was expecting to continue to the downside, still in the inside bar position. This has no signal. Let me check at M15. Yeah, price coming from the low. It has a buying signal, but not confirmed at M15. If an M5, it's not confirmed. This price can make reverse at this level. The buying has started. You can see this guy. I told you it will reach it there. This is not a strong buy. It can be pulled back as this is the key level. This market was selling, if you remember. It was selling for a long time. So to buy this market, maybe it has to break above that area, and in order to reach this level. Look, look how it's buying. There is the rejection area. There was a small rejection. You can see. If we go lower time frames, we can see it's buy. Wow. Look, look, it comes. I told you you can make a partial lock. You have to take half of your profit. I told you already because it's a spiking area. You can still enjoy waiting for other profits. If you have closed it, it's okay. But I told you what is possible to happen already. I'm practicing with this account. You cannot be like me because you need your small money. This guy's making it's giving us a nice entry after breaking up of that area. Yeah, if you could see what was happening, then you are happy. I think some of you have locked it or maybe taking your profit. But I told you here is the rejection area. When price comes at this place, whenever price comes at this place or near its rejection area, and the reason why is this moving average is the minus rejection. Whenever you see this moving average, price has to make rejections every time price comes near or touches this moving average. It's a rejection. Spikes shall come. If you remember a couple minutes ago, I told you we shall have spikes like this, one, two, three, and you can see the longest spike comes. If you cannot hold, maybe you are in a small lot size, and also uh, you are in also a small loss. But this market, I'm holding it. If it hits to me, it's not bad to me because I have already taken this buy as I was knowing what is possible to happen. I'm not worrying, I'm not frightening, I'm not in emotional. I know what I'm doing. But you, if you don't know, then always use a small lot size with SL. This guy has made a break. You can see this break. But this green line is the confirmation. Whenever price closes above that green line, we have a nice opportunity for buy. The other problem is that there is a strong key here. When price breaks here, it has to reach this and make retracement. But you can see that the market is rejecting this break. Guys, you can mute yourself if you have questions, then welcome. I see that the market is in sideways. I did not get a more opportunities tonight, so I will answer your questions, guys. Welcome, guys. If you have any question, welcome. Yeah, unmute yourself, guys. Yeah, Raymond, welcome. Oh, okay. I got you. I got you. Okay. If you can hear me clearly, I will open a naked chart and then I will show you how to detect the high and low of the day. There are several times. The formation of the high and the day can be one candle or maybe several candles, not only a one candle. For example, this market, you can see here is the high and here is the low. So you can see several candles, and sometimes one candle can represent this high and low. So if you understand like so on, if we go on the daily time frame, it is like that. For example, let me go on naked chart right now and then go on daily time frame. And then let me let me color this candles in order to understand. Bearish and the bear, the bull, KFN. Let me use the grip. Let me take trade history. Okay, for example, this is a daily time frame. If you can see here, the daily time frame. This is a daily time frame. So the daily time frame, if you think that the high of the day and candle means that this candle, like this candle, someday the high of the day can form only a one candle, another day several candles can represent the high of the day. Because, for example, it depends on how the price opens and and where the price closes. For example, you can see yesterday price opens on the pin where the inside bar was in, and it has closed below the previous high. So if this price closes, for example, if this price makes its long wick below the previous low, you can see yesterday, before yesterday, the market was consolidating, and also the previous yesterday. So this candle, this doji candle, has its low, and yesterday's low, this will be low high. So it means that this candle cannot form low and high right now, as it is still in the previous high and in previous low. So we still have the daily high on here, and we still have the daily low on here. So the daily high and the daily low can form several candles or a one candle. For example, if the candle is forming a huge movement, So it can form or create the high and low of the day. So it's not only a one candle, it can be a one or several. I hope you got the answer, my friend Raymond. Hello, are you there, Raymond? Do you understand? Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to find or detect or determine the high and low of the day, sometimes one candle can form the high and the low of the day. On another times, we need to get the high and the day for several candles. So that's it. Yeah, next question. If anyone else wants to ask question, continue. Yeah. Any any other question, my friends? Tatai, welcome. Crypto legend, also cousin. Do you have any question, guys? Okay, thank you. Okay, we have missed this internet. You see the guy? It has made its spy right now. Maybe I place its spy. 600. I place. Oh, that's longer. 600s. This guy wants to make break. This guy still in the ranging area. For your confirmation of this market, use the high and low. Price is in that region. Let's see. It's back testing. Already broke the bin. We need to hold this guy. Trend line is coming. Step index is giving us opportunity right now. Yeah. I'm holding crash 1000. If you cannot hold it, but take it. I'm not giving you order to hold. You decided yourself. I'm glad, guys. I'm glad, guys. Let me check. Yeah, yeah. We needed to wait 3 minutes. You can see that it's reversing. So we need to wait 3 minutes. Step index. Yeah, yeah, for confirmation. We have a buying opportunity with fix 50. Yeah, use small lot size. What time is it for you, Tatai? Oh, like here. Oh, it's 10:30. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've posted the signal. You can see the huge move then. It was a nice opportunity moving. The other guy, which was 600, is moving nicely. Oh, 4 seconds remaining. Yeah, 4 seconds remaining. The next to move. So the 3 minute is over, and right now I see a break, but the break confirms the pin. We need to wait the move of this candle. You can see at 5 minutes there is still question fix fix 75 is now starting to sell but not confirm it as this bin is still starting, so we need to get a block order confirmation. The market is going to trend right now. Keep eyes on the fix 50 which I have posted. It's still going up, it's going upside. So right now 3 minutes remained. I'm sure this guy will sell. Only one pie is remaining to sell step index. One bar. No, 1 bar, not 1 minute. Yeah, one par, PAR. Yes. This guy also, VIX 75 also. Yeah, VIX 75. Both of them. Yeah, both of them. VIX 100S is hitting the TB. Is hit the TB. Boom. Boom. VIX 100S. You see that? Can you see what this step index is doing? VIX 50 is also going to hit the TB. Wow. VIX 50. Yes. VIX 100S has hitting the TB now. Now let us check other opportunities. See, that's the first set. I knew that there is the last position this guy has to reach. Step index under question. You know, we shall have we shall have this guy still having the fine opportunity. I place SL below there and then place the TP. We place the TP for that scalping. Crash 1000 is still going, but at the rejection at the minus area, that We go on fix 50. Fix 50 as a rejection. If you can close it, it's okay. Close fix 50. Yeah, fix 50. Yeah, I tap it close. It's an announcement. You can see that fix 100S has made its rejection where I have taken the TP. Okay, fix 75 is now trying to give us a nice dropping down. The next T inside bar is giving us a nice selling or maybe rejection to go upside as buyers are no weak. We can see that the price is no below the green line. So I have rejection on crash 500. This was a nice selling. Look how it's accepted. This key area for the support resistance or where it has taken it is distribution redistribution level. This was back testing candle and then the price is still trying to sell. I will have a nice drawing. We will have a nice drawing signal below that area. So we will sell again. When price comes there. There is where the market wants to buy. The next 15 minutes, this market wants to go buy after price comes on here. Let me place. Let me place. Maybe I want to place 25. 25 for buy. I will reduce it in my account. It's a boom. It's a boom. Crash 500 has made something bad. I need that too. It's a boom 1 boom 1 Let me go and reduce it, the lot size. I closed to 10 and then I have reduced the lot size into 0.05, which is amazing. If this price continues to the downside, I will not worry because I know what I'm losing is small money for like $1. But when it spikes, we shall have. There was a big rejection on crash 500. Yeah, I see on my mobile right now. Yeah. Oh, step index, we miss it. We miss it. You can see I told you it will form the back testing. You can sell the back testing, but I've taken the sell. I've taken the sell. Scalping. You need it uh, to manage trades in seconds or less than minute. Fix 75 is playing. There is the bin, but we need a mother. Where's the mother? Where's the parent? We see, we see the kids. Where are the parents? We see the kids. Where are the parents? We need the parents. Not not too much. Are you in? Okay. You owe me. You owe me TB and SL. Wow. I I cannot say it will go below this area, but it wants to give us a nice opportunity for the sell if it breaks current low. Yeah, if it breaks, we shall have a nice selling opportunity. But nobody, which one on the website? On the website, yeah, yeah, yeah. To trade, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, in these days I'm busy with the website that if so engineers they told me I must be with them in order to form how I want. So I stopped trading in the day. Someone assisted me with the settings for TDI from this charity. This is not TDI. This is not TDI, my sister. That is not TDI. It is AHD. Yeah, AH. Yeah, yeah. If she wants CD, TDI, let me send her. I can get TDI for mobile settings. I have it, but that's not TDI. Yeah, Stewart. Stewart. Yeah, TDI. TDI and indicate is like so on. Let me type here TDI for mobile. I will send the PDF. Okay. Yeah, that's free right now. Yeah, I've sent it the TDI mobile. Oh, AHD, send the AHD settings, please. AHD is a new indicator for average history data. I have made it and you cannot get it in the market because these tools are for only me. I have made it with my now. Yeah, my own. My own. You can see here. Let me send you. This is my own. So this is the version 1.6, but I will make a bigger one after updating the website because I'm paying most of my money in order to develop my career, okay, my skill. Yeah, I have IT guys here. I'm paying them money. I'm giving them money. They are doing and working for me. Whatever I want. Money makes everything. Yeah. you you're yeah, money makes everything. I've sent to the picture. Yeah, so it's an indicator. So to give everything on it means that I have to pay everything for free. Right now, it's not time for giving everything free. I have to reach my goal. Then I will help the others. And I'm still helping others because I have my YouTube channel for the free sessions, live sessions like this. When I was learning live session like this, I was paying a small money like $30, $40 per per week. I have to pay $30 per week in order to be a member and participate in live sessions like this. And yeah, but now whenever I'm online, I'm paying the live session for free, not asking money to the people. Okay, I explain everything and I trade and make money. Yeah, yeah, but yeah, that guy, it is in correction right now. We cannot say it's going up. I have one thing, let me tell you. This is a strong key. When price closes above that white line, we are not expecting the sell, okay? If price closes above there, so can you see my my screen? Yeah, because there is a strong key and you can see the price is still below there. You can see that it closed. So this candle will go and reach that that green line and then reverses back. Okay, yeah, it will be like a doji candle. This candle will be rejection candle, as here is a strong key level. This price has to reach there and then reverses. So these two candles are making just what is called the pullback. Yeah, yeah. If if no, 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 I cannot say. I always I always check at the levels, key levels. Yeah, why price has made this rejection? There is a key level here. Why these price are going to go up? There is a key level where it wants to test. So this is back testing. The back testing, yeah, this is a back testing. So the back testing will have a rejection at it is high, or maybe the key select. So you see that it is still not so strong as the market is rejecting. I can have a wide SL. Wide SL. I move with my SL as this market wants to continue up. I don't want to take a loss right now. This guy is fix 50. I'm taking another buy because I get a chance. Again, this is a buy. This is a buy. It's 50. The ADX is rejecting, but I'm sure. Let us let us look the power of AHD. Its rejection and says this market will continue down. You see, this market says it is continue down, and I follow the bimper and candles. Which one will be the correct one? I advise you do not enter. Do not enter. Yeah, but I can enter it because I'm confirmed with my strategy. The money I'm playing right now is for only confirmation. Don't worry, guys. But you cannot trade with your real money. You need it. Oh, you can see the inside bar, the mother and it is two babies. Let me erase. Okay, and go back. Okay. This is the mother. There is another candle which has a higher high. This higher this high this high is actually a false break according to the inside bar, because the high of inside bar is this one and this is the low. So this is the mother and this is the two babies. So let me show you. Maybe till the if I say the three, it's like there. You can see the two. It's the two. So these two baby candles and this candle are the leaders of the trend. Are the leaders of the trend. As you can see, there is a red arrow. You can see that here there is a block. Yeah, there is a block and there is another block. Why? Because here there is a trend changing. So this market wants to continue till it comes this yellow. Why it is coming to this yellow? Because this yellow is the lower low of the price. As here is the higher high and here is the lower low. Yeah, you can see the low. You can see. Yeah, so price wants to close here. And then when price comes here, there shall be continuation to the down or up. But price is waiting the next 3 hours in order to open the new day. Step index check, step index is buying. Oh, this guy, this guy. I'm not buying, please. If I say it's buying, it does not mean that it will buy. Look, there is a rejection. This is order block. This is order block. No, this is fix 50, the order block. So AHD is powerful because AHD has told me that this market is gonna sell in. The cross of AHD has happened, and you can see that the market is selling. I have placed the buy for coming against with this guy, but the sell and buy is in condition. Crash 1,000 still buy. We have a baby spike at boom 500. You see, to those who trade catching spikes, you can catch a spike again on boom 500. I hope you are in profit in Crash 1,000 still. I know step index is playing as my indicator. Just told me that this guy is gonna going up. Somebody's asking me, Assalamu alaikum. My buy prediction is confirmed, but right now you have to wait the buy above that level. 675 is playing. Yeah, Look, what a nice was a nice entry. Let me check. 15. Wow, we have missed three white horses. This is strong, powerful reversal key. Yeah, it's three white horses. Three white horses. Yeah, thank you. S- Struggling, struggling. Cousin, are you still holding a crash 1000? Oh, oh, Raymond, come back. I think step index is making rejection. Yeah, crash 1000 still going up. The trend is up. I told you already. You have seen a big spike, but every rejection is no matter. It's no matter. It's no matter. What a fantastic small spike as I was holding. Buy this a week in the step index. Guys, some of you I have to invite in my trading room. I will also do something better like sharing with 6 person or more than. Guys, you are not sleeping tonight. Why? You need a money. Wow. Shepard, welcome. Tatai, let me ask you about the election. What about the election? Okay. Oh, you're right. You're like me. Yeah. You can see the three pillars. This guy. Oh, thank you, Raymond. I've seen it. Wow. Let me see. Let's go in the group. Oh, I'm late. I'm late. You are not late, brother. I will be trading till the night's on. I did not trade today, so I have to try to make money. Oh, I had another spike. Oh, no matter. Another spike. It's nice buying. But the opportunity, this opportunity, I was not focusing on to make money. I told you, but the strategy is telling me something good. So I'm testing this strategy. It will be on my website. It will be on the website. Fire chasing. Yeah, all my strategies, the order block strategy, the golden line, the boom and crash. We cannot force the market. We have to wait. The only thing that we need in trading is patience. Yeah, patience is a part of this game. If you don't have a patient, oh, you are going to make losses of yourself. Guys, are you making any analysis, or you are only watching me? Wow, this is amazing. All signals are in a safe mood. Good, good. Okay, only watching. Okay, a sister of mine is talking to me. Alaikum salam, Yasmin. walaashayda qaaliga aad tahay, maasha allah, mashquul adduunya iskaga jira. Wallaahi haddaan kula hadlayo, live aan ku jiraa waqtigaan hadda kula hadlayo, dadaan wax u sharaxaya. Guys, have you seen, wait me abayo, have you seen the signal of boom 500 that it's dropping down? If you can, if you can have right now a small lot size with a one position, then you can enter it and take your TB somewhere above the low. Do not place your TB below there, and do not ask me about how you can form your TB and S. Thank you. Enjoy it. Abay ii hadal waa xura tahay. Walla abayo aniga trader aan ahay, trader, online trader, FX, suuqyada exchange-ga. Ha 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 website-kayga kusoo xiri kartaa. Website-aan leeyahay hadda oo asaga under development waay, laakiin waa kusoo xiri kartaa telegram groupyo 4,000 qof ku jirta oo telegram aan leeyahay. Wallaahi groupkayga ha yimaadiin, ajaanib muslim iyo gaal way joogaan. Training waay, koorsada ugu yaraaba, koorsada ugu yaraa 200 meelahaas ah. Welcome aan leeyahay, live aa lagu baraya xataa koorsooyinka caadi waa live na waan ku bixiyaa. Qofkii ila joogana waa bii imaan karaaba. Intee wax ku marayaan adiga? No, wallaahi abay adi fiiri waxaas adi hadda aawudid 10 sano haddaan aniga ka shaqaynayo ka waran, anigoo 15 sano jir aan soo bilaabay marketingka. waxaana ogaaday I have lost most of my time. Lacagta iyo energy-ga waxa iga darnaa waqtiga aan lumiyey, ma fahanti. Lacag fara badanna waa ka sameeyey, lacag badan fara badanna way iga lumeen. Laakiin markii aan cilmigii bartay oo wax badan aan fahmay, waxa ii soo baxday marketingka batatanba is like job, waa shaqo oo kale. Is not a financial freedom. Ma aha financial freedom, ma aha, sababtoo ah haddii adiga aad baxdid oo lugahaagii aad saxdo oo kuwa kaa hooseeya lugahaada ay saxaan, oo tiirka saddexaad ama tiirka afraad ay ayagu shaqey waayaan, commissionkaaga adiga waa down. All the time waa inaad noqotaa qof speaker ah oo hadlaya oo dadka wax u sharxaya. marka marketing ana hadda ma ku dhahay jooji, laakiin waxaan ku leeyahay financial freedom waa midda adiga keliga aa shaqaysid oo shaksi kalena kugu labaalnayn ama kambani kale oo adiga laba kugu ahayn. tusaale ahayn waa inaadan bulshaawi oo kale soo wicin, waa inaadan shaksi kale wicin, waa inaysan shirkad kugu xukumin ay ku dhihin waa inaad lugaha soo buuxisaa. taasaa financial freedom la yidhahdaa. iyo time freedom oo ah waqtigaa rabtid inaad saxa kartid, waqtigaa rabtidna kasoo kici kartid. laakiin hadda still adiga waxaa taagan I have to pay money in order to get a new leader inaa helaan rabaa oo teamkayga ii kiciyo. still adiga weli dhibaataa ku jirta. You are working for that company. anigana waxaan ka ordayaa inaan shaqaalo noqdo. marka you have to learn as meesha aad joogtid. haddii aad baratid xirfad aad meesha ugu shaqaysatid, xirfadaasna ay ku siinayso inay lacag kuu samayso, I advise you inaad xirfadda baratid instead aad kambani u shaqayn lahayd.
shiidka la dhahay hadda raqiiska ah ayaa dabay 20 daana ka bixiyay, hadda 130 daan oo ii noqday. runtii baan la iskaga shubay 130 daan meeqaa qorta lacag badan ayay qortay maasha allah. midkoonka saasoo kale hadda kubbaan aan ka helay aniga oo $70. kubbaan ka helay
lacagahan digitalka waa lagu faa'iiday. kuwaan maalqabeynaa lagu noqday lacagahaas digital kiribtadan waqtigan ku jirnaa. bitcoin armaheeda bitcoin waa laga taajiraa baay. bitcoin waa laga taajiray. wallaahi abaayo aniga wax team leader dadka igu xiran oo dhan waxay u badan yihiin dad trader ah. shaqooyinkan ay u badan yihiin. marka haddaa ugu sheekaysid oo tiraahdi de waxaana adi ma gashiyaa laleeyahay, adiga ma ku jirtaa na tus lacag. anigana inaan gelaynin de waa ogahaba. maani waxaas team leader ee kuma jiraan. shirkada oo bitcoin ka shaqeeyo saaxiibaday oo ajaaniba, dadka ajaanibta inta badan la saaxiibaa oo fara badanaa jiraan oon igu beerinaya soo gal waxaas dhahayaan. marka ma galoba aniga ma galo marketingka. maya ayaga shirkada waaweyn ayagaa samaystay. adiga shirkada lagu sheegaa oo lacagahan waa iska website yar moogtahay. website qof samaystay iyo aqal yaroo meel qof oo kiraystay 2 guri amaba falaad yaroo la kiraysta le waay. wax weyn ma aha. hadda aniga websitean leeyahay cilmigii waa aqaana, waa bax meelaan kiraystay. dadka sheekada inta lagu dhici jiray camal ma fahanti. oo laakiin dadkaas ajaanibi waaye. dadka ajaanibiga ah, dadka ajnabiga wadamada ay joogaan hadday mar taxiga oo cashuurta ay bixinayaan, waxa kale lama eegayaba ninkan maogta. wadamada qurbaha saas waaye. meesha wuxuu isku soo jarayaba aniga inta cilmi baaris aan ku bartay xafiiska cilmi baaris aan ku hayaa, cashuurtana waa ogolahay. waa soo diiwaan gelinayaa, meesha iska furanaya. marka kuwaas cilmi ma aheene lacagta wareegtada eeda rotationka samaynaysa mataqaanido ay ahayd noo kanka qaadkan si macnaha mataqaana af soomaali saasaa lagu dhahaa. kanka qaadkan si intay ugu shaqaynayahayd dadka oo meelaha wada furtay anay ii imaan jireen, anigay ii imaan jireen. guys, I don't know whether you have money to put in jump 10 index. It has to buy soon. Even I've already placed my position with the smallest lot sign. What position? Please do not place your TB above this yellow line, or let me give you the point. The point is 99526. Okay, that's UTB, guys. You can buy with jump 10 index. Jump 10 index. use the smallest lot size. If you are just new to take this trade, please use the smallest lot size. The TB point is 99526. 99526. The SL. Are you guys with me, guys? Hello, guys. I cannot hear you. Let me open my mic. Let me check. Okay. Trade about. Are you guys there? Are you guys there? Trade ka buy sell iyo buy lacagaha exchange lacagaha money maaragtay. Hello. Hello, guys. Oh my God. So, yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Yeah, okay, okay. So you can see that the jump index jump jump 10 index is gonna buy in right now. So you have to use a small lot size, and you see that it is now near the TB. I think you have a connection problem, but this guy will continue to the upside, and I've already placed it my TB and also my SL. So keep watching and take your profit, guys. Ama rasmiyan waxa waaye lacagaha exchange-ga maaragtay lagu shaqeeyo forex-ka oo online-ka loogu shaqeynayo waaye. Anaga online ku shaqeynayo. Yani aniga cilmiga aqaana sidaasaan u shaqeysta. May online suuq iska furan waaye. Suuqa lacagaha iska gashanaysaa, lacagtaas aad meesha ku kordhisanay. Aad intii jirto taqaanid. Aad taqaanid suuqa ku kordhisanay. Forex, cryptocurrency, Binance. Jalan Binance baa maxay? Ah, Binance kaas crypto waaye marka cryptoda rabnaan galnaa kan laakiin crypto ma kan waa suuq lo indices kaas indices oo waxaas dhan waan garanaya. Dadkan hadda waxay joogaan qaaradda Afrika, qaar isla joognaan qaarna hadda inta hadda ila joogto badankooda Afrika isla wada joognaan. Suuqay ku jiraan, suuqaasaa marka aniga u sheegayaa inay buy sameeyaan iyo inay sell sameeyaan. Ha group xiriiran leenahay, group weyna aan leenahay. Telegram Telegram ha iibsada gala markuu sax yahay aan sheegaya. Iska iibiya gata saas baan leeyahay. Binance-ga buu leeyahay dad oo live traders ah yaa baa. Waa ay kana. Linkiga sug aan kuu soo diray. Adi WhatsApp aa weli iskaga jirtaa mugta. Ya rasmiyan weli WhatsApp aa aaminsan tahay WhatsApp
dadka ma jeclaan. Telegram soo gal, ani Telegram waan kuu soo dirayaa linkiga. Ma haysataa keyga? HusniFX, HusniFX. Intee asaa aan kusoo dhahay? My Bushamana, HusniFX waay. Close. Waxaan kugu soo diray hadda WhatsApp-kaaga fiiri, WhatsApp-kaaga fiiri. San Francisco. Aan ku arkay supermarket soo gashay. Isoo dirsis private kuu dhahaya. Screenshot iga soo qaad. HusniFX. Screenshot iga soo qaad. Screenshot iga soo qaad. It's not a private, laakiin live session-kan ku jirnaa. Dhibaatada taas waa it's public. Laakiin live aan ku jirnaa, groupka dhexdiisaan live ugu jirnaa. Marka live ugu jirno cid ma soo gali karto. Marka waxaan kuu sameynayaa mataqaanaa Telegram ID-gaaga iisoo dir, anaa kugu soo diraya. Waxaa sameysaa mataqaanaa Telegram ID-gaaga iisoo dir, anaa kugu soo diraya. Aniga lambarkeyga maarag Telegramkiisa assalaamu calaykum igu soo dir. Okay, ii taagna haddii assalaamu calaykum kusoo dhahdo. When Yasmin said assalaamu calaykum. Calaykum assalaam. Now, what have you said? Wait, brother. Let me fix my USB. Yeah, hello. Yeah. Shafiq, what have you said, brother? Is in profit, right? Enjoy it, man. Collect that profits you get. It's late time. Yo, it's late time. Yeah, is it paying a good chance? No, this guy is bouncing. I told you it's not good to trade. Then oh, this guy, no problem. If it breaks that high, it will be a nice opportunity for buyers. You can see that this market has many times reaches this area and makes it reverse. So the key factor is always giving us information to help in a decision. See area, area one, two, three, and this is four. So if this break is above and reaches there, it's nice. guys, are you online? Do you see that 675? It's not heavy. Why don't you see that money? You see that money? Are you there? Goodbye, YouTube watchers. Thank you.